got a 2011 Frontier with the Misfire. Cylinder 3 is misfiring. Cylinder 1 has only 9. The amp clamp on. We'll do a relative compression test to make sure these cylinders are still good. Looks good. Okay, so I always start with a relative compression test for a misfire, and if that's good, I usually go to the injectors next. And so I'll find a wire that's common. So this wire, this white and green, goes to a fuse, and all of them are on the same fuse. And so I put my amp clamp around that wire. So I put my purple lead on the green wire for fuel injector 1 because it's the only one I can get to without taking the intake off. So on my scope it'll show up as the purple lead, and that way I know which cylinder's which, because the firing order is 1, 3, 4, 2. So I still have my amp clamp around the white and green wire, so I'll see all of the cylinders, and then I'll have one show up as purple so I know which cylinder's which. Firing orders 1, 3, 4, 2. 1, 3, 4, 2. The injectors look good. The injectors come back good, so I move on to the coils. So I can only get the ignition coil 1, and so I put my amp clamp, which is the green lead, around the ground, so they all share ground, so I'll see every cylinder. And then I put my purple lead on the yellow wire for coil 1, 'cause that's the only coil I can get to, and so I can see which cylinder's which by checking that one. Like we got 1, 3, 2, 4. 3's misfiring. So shorted. 3 and 1.